Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a teacher and a textile artist from Australia. I make three-dimensional embroidery inspired by the world around me. I'd like to invite you into my studio to stitch with me a beautiful, detailed embroidered beetle. Sit by my side and watch over 8 hours of close-up videos showing every technique I use. I explain every step. I provide supporting downloadable templates, idea galleries and resources, and share all of the different alternatives I use for my materials and tools. Once you register, all of the course materials are available forever. Access never expires. You can pause, annotate and rewind any moment on any video. So join me, learn some new techniques or bring your existing skills to a new place and make something that makes you smile.